How to log in on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to log in on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Log in on ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the app. Launch the ESPN Fantasy app on your mobile device. Tap on Login. On the main screen, you will see an option to log in. Tap on it. Enter your password, PIN or fingerprint if you have enabled. Enter your credential. Input your ESPN account email or username and enter your password. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Sign in. Tap on Login button to access your account. If you don't have an ESPN account, select Sign Up to create one. You can also log in using your Google account if you have linked them with ESPN. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.